Hello YouTube makeup lovers, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to Lounge Makeup, I really hope that you guys stick around and subscribe for more videos. So I'm here today with a Béis haul. I finally was able to purchase a few items from the Béis brand. I have had my eye on this brand for a really long time. This is Shay Mitchell's brand. I've been following her already for a while. Her Instagram, her YouTube channel, I think she's awesome. She's hilarious. And I think that she created something really intelligent and useful. And I think it just can work for so many people, and I was really excited to test out some of the products from Béis. I just really love organizational items, especially items for travel. I did buy a few of the smaller items, and I think that, you know, in the future when I have a really nice suitcase already, but when that suitcase goes and it's time to repurchase, I definitely want to try her suitcase. It's like the hard one. It has just really nice compartments, super organizational. I just like it. It just seems like it's something that I'm really gonna enjoy. So I did want to go ahead and check out some of the smaller products. I bought a beach bag. That was like the main item that I really wanted because I have an upcoming trip and I loved it. That's like the first thing I peeked at when I got the box. But I did get a couple other items. So let's get started with this Béis haul. So the first item I wanted to share with you guys is definitely the beach bag. This is the item that I was the most excited about. I love the handles. Like they have like a little marbly detail on the handles, but I like that it's like this circle handle. They're like, you know, like that little plasticky type of, it almost looks like stone, but I'm sure it's like plastic. And it's a nice mesh material, which I think it's great for the beach so that you don't like get sand in there. Any sand that seeps in is gonna fall out. And it's a very nice size. I thought this was great for my upcoming vacay, which is gonna be a very big beach type of vacay. The inside comes with like this bag for your wet clothes. It's a pretty nice size. It almost looks like a little Ziploc. It has like the little slide thing to lock it, and it's a pretty big size, so you can definitely put any items in there that are wet so that they're not loose in your bag and get your other items wet. It has like this little like clip closure here, which I don't know what that would really be used for, but I'm sure it has a purpose, but I just can't tell what the purpose is right now. It also has, I know this is like, I feel like it has a little hat clip, and it does have a handle so that you can like wear it over your shoulder if you want, or maybe even crossbody. So it has a nice little handle. Let me go ahead and open it so that I share what size of length it is. So it's definitely an adjustable strap, and you have the hooks on the side right here if you want to hold it that way. I just think that it looks so cool, the handles, like the circle handles. I feel like I would wanna, see, you can hold it like this. But I feel like I would like more personally to carry it with these little handles, and I just think it looks really, really cute. So it's a nice little mesh material. It also has a little pocket here on the bag right here with a zipper. Again, it also protects your stuff from getting, you know, wet if you want to like put like your wallet or like your credit card or whatever it is you want to take there to the beach, your lip gloss. I think it's really convenient that it also has that there as well. So, oh, it has it. Maybe this is the hat clip. It has a clip here. And then it has, I know it has a hat clip because I remember that from the description. Maybe this is the hat clip, and maybe this ties to the wet bag. I have no idea, but it has a lot of stuff. It seems very convenient. I think that this would be very convenient, but I mean, the look of it I think is really cute and pretty adorable. The other item I got was the Cosmetic Case in the beige color. And I love the beige color. They have so many beautiful items in beige. A lot of the stuff on the website was like sold out, and these were the things that I was able to get my hands on, but this is one that I wanted for a really long time, and it was available when I purchased it. It has a strap right here where it says Béis. It also seems like a really nice like marbly type of like leather. I really like how that looks. Like, I don't know if you see that. It's a nice little leather. It has the Béis brand right here. Really, really pretty, really pretty beige color. You open it up, you have like this little plastic sleeve right here. Area to put your brushes right here. which I think is nice and convenient. And if I'm not mistaken, I feel like this brush thing comes off. I feel like I remember seeing that. This is, oh yes, this is magnetic. So the brush area, you know, it like has a little magnet right here and it comes off, which is like so convenient because sometimes when you're doing your makeup, you kind of just want to like put it to the side and be able to, you know, just easily access your brushes. Inside here, there's a little pocket and there is a mirror that it comes with. So it's a really nice, sleek, slim mirror. You see it. It's a pretty good mirror. So you have a really nice, I think this is a nice little addition to it, having a mirror. A lot of the things don't have mirrors nowadays sometimes, and I think this is like comes in nice and handy, and it's super thin that it fits perfectly in this little pocket of this removable, you know, kind of like flap where you also put your brushes. And then in the inside you just have like a nice big area to put your makeup. I feel like you have a little slim pocket right here. I wonder, like, I could probably use that to like put like some eye pencils. Oh, and you also have some little pockets here. So you have 2 pockets here, and then you have 1 slimmer pocket right here, plus the one there, and then your magnetic place for your brushes. This is like my favorite part of it, that little magnet type of flap that is removable. So this is the Cosmetic Case, which I think it is very pretty. Next item I got was the Terry Cosmetic Clutch, and it is a cute little like baggie like this. It has a zipper. It's made of like terry cloth, like that, like towel-y type of material, but it does have a zipper right here. And it does open up like a clutch, like it has like this more structured circle, kind of like that. It fits a lot in there. And then it also has a zipper here on the inside. And it has a little strap here where you can kind of carry it on its own. You can pretty much carry the cute little cloth on its own, but my idea for purchasing it was that in here, I would put all my accessories that I would want to carry in my beach bag. So I thought that I would probably use these 2 together. Like this would be where I carry all my stuff in my beach bag, like my gloss, maybe my sunscreen, my scrunchie, my hair clip, all those little items in here. My phone, I will probably put my phone in here, maybe my AirPods, and then this would be inside the beach bag. So that's pretty much why I got it, but it can also be just like, you know, I'm gonna go on a cruise. So this is also really convenient just to carry around the cruise, like a little comfy little bag. And it has the Béis brand right here, which with a light you might not be able to see it, but there you see it says Béis, and it is just a really cute little clutch baggie. The next item I got is probably the item that I was most excited about, in the sense that I thought it was so unique and I've never seen anything like that. And this is called the Seat Back Organizer. I also got it in beige, and I just thought it was so good. This is more for airplane travel, I would say, but this is great because you can put it in your seat in front of you on the airplane, and you don't have to be sticking your hand inside the pocket that you don't know what you're gonna find in those airplane pockets. And then you kind of just put your stuff here, like your phone, your earphones, maybe chewing gum, maybe you want to put hand sanitizer, lip balm, cream. You know, I feel like, especially if I go like on a long flight, I kind of need to have my in-flight essentials readily available for me, even like a face mask or something. So you have one side has a nice pocket right here, and it has 3 little pockets in the front. One here that's a little bit smaller, one in the middle that's a little bit bigger, and then another one on this side. And then when you flip it, it has a plastic compartment with a zipper. So anything here that you want to keep, like kind of not valuables, I probably wouldn't put valuables in there, but like your phone or something, and you want to just keep it in the front of your seat, you can just zip it up and you don't have to worry about it like falling apart, but you kind of just like, you know, fold it like this in the back of the seat. It also has like a little magnet. It has magnets that make it like stick like this together. So I thought that this was really cute. and very, very convenient. Last Béis item I got is this little set of cosmetic bags. These came in like a really pretty pink color. I feel like this color was pretty new. I think it's called like Atlas Pink. It is a really nice leather. I feel like the leathers are just so pretty. It also says Béis in really big letters right here. As you can see there, it says it like that. It has a zipper all around the cosmetic bag, and it is a set. So there's one here, and then, oh, I can't open it. Hold on, let me cut this. I had to cut this to be able to open it. So you have another baggie inside that is this size. So you have two bags, and this is the size difference of both little baggies. The interior is this color, and it also has a little pocket. It's a nice material, kind of like vinyl-y, so you can tell that for cleaning it'd be really easy if you got some makeup on it or it got a little bit dirty. So that interior is really good and convenient. And then the other big size, the bigger size, has a pocket here, and it has a little pocket in the middle. It kind of has like a little separator right there. 3 big areas in the bag, 2 big ones here, then this one, which is a pretty nice size in the middle, and then you have a little sleeve here. Again, the inside is also very, very convenient. So it is a nice little makeup bag, and I just like it, and the color is a really pretty, like, it's kind of like a lavendery pink type of color. I think it's beautiful. So that is pretty much it. I really hope that you guys had a lot of fun watching my Béis haul. I will make sure to include everything in the description box down below, just in case you guys want to check those items out. The website is beistravel.com. As always, I want to say thank you so much for watching Be Lounge Makeup. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel before you go, and I will talk to you very, very soon. Bye.